have liked to have a different overall outcome, but to find the back of the net, what's the sense of relief that it's happened?
Oh, it's a relief. It's been obviously a tough year, and mentally, it's not easy. Nothing's going your way, and we've been losing a lot of games, and you just want to help the team, and I feel like I haven't been able to do a lot of that this year, so it was nice to get that out of the way, but like you said, another one goal, loss, tight game, but it's frustrating.
You mentioned not being able to help the team in the way that you would like, yet every single one of your teammates has talked about all the dirty work that you do during the game. From a mental standpoint, what's the challenge this year compared to any other point in your career?
Well, it's been the hardest year, I think. I don't know. Obviously, when you're not scoring, it's just try to do all the small things as good as you can, and try to contribute in some other ways. Trying to be good on the penalty kill and good defensively, and I've been trying to work hard and do all that. But I know I can score goals. I know I can be better offensively. So hopefully this kind of like opens things up a little bit and gets me going.
Joonas, for the third straight game on this trip, you guys have played a really tough opponent pretty tightly throughout. And yet the majority of the goals are coming really late in the game in the third period. Is there anything you see as to what happens prior to that, the first two periods, before going into the third? Does the team open up more in the third? What do you
I don't know. That's a tough question. I think tonight we probably lost on special teams. We gave up two power play goals for them, and then we had a lot of good looks on power play too. We weren't able to score, so I think that was probably the key point. But tough to say. I think we have to look at some video again and try to get better for tomorrow.
The push and the energy that we saw at the beginning of the third, was that a different mentality? Was there something that was being executed differently? What was that?
I don't know. We was just talking to the lockers, just try to leave everything out there. I don't think we were necessarily playing our best in the first two, so it's just, we were down by two, so it's just talked about leaving everything out there, and I think we did, but just unfortunately lost.
That's good.
Thanks.